Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Hilldow Jump Starter. It's a power pack and a power bank in one appliance with 2500 ampere and 12 volt operation. Voltage up to 8-liter petrol and 5-liter diesel engine can be started with this power starter here. It's a car jump starter with 7,696 watt hour and 20,800 milliampere hour. It's a portable car battery booster and an intelligent jump leads. 2500A. This is powerful and it comes quick. And it starts our engine. With this compact and powerful portable jump starter, the power bank included, with 2500A, which can start up to 70 times with a single charge and start up to 8-liter of petrol engine and 5-liter of diesel engines. We can safely start an empty battery in seconds, a car with an empty battery. A long standby time means 6 months on a single full charge, while maximum protection with low power consumption. Integrated safety design is included. The Hilldow Jump Starter uses 10 protection technologies to effectively prevent falls, connections or sparks. This allows us to safely connect the Hilldow Jump Starter to any empty 12 or 6 volt battery to start our vehicles. The car jump starter cable from Hilldow has two protection function and the booster function, which is able to detect the under voltage of the jump starter and the damaged vehicle battery to warn and protect the reverse polarity connection and reverse polarity 2. In addition, the booster function can greatly increase the peak current, increase and an empty start the battery. Huge capacity with 20,800 milliampere hour, charge smartphone 2, tablets and more. 2 USB ports allows us to charge 2 devices at the same time. In addition, an ultra bright 100 lumen light emitted diode torch with multiple settings, including stable strobe as well as red light included, makes it better because most of the time you have an empty battery while it is midnight or so. And no car is around you, of course. And then the Hilldow will help you. And a safer exterior design. A robust waterproof housing with protection class IP65 and an ultra compact and lightweight design weighs only 1.3 kilogram. And we will get what we need to jumpstart a car with it. Really easy. We start our vehicles instantly. Cars, SUVs, trucks, bicycles and boats or motorcycles. No problem. But only 12 volt and 6 volt. Okay, not 24 volt. Reliable and powerful jump starter comes here with 2500 ampere peak current and 20,800 milliampere hour battery capacity with 12 volt, 8-liter gas, 5-liter diesel, 70 starts. No problem for it. Detection of the car battery, detection of the jump starter voltage, protection of the reverse polarity, prevention of reverse charging, and we have a boost function. To get in the booster function, we have to only push on the button at the jump starter, not the power button, the connection button. We have to push for approximately 3 seconds, and then it will shine green, and we are in the boost function. Extra safe with short circuit protection, overcharge protection, over discharge protection, over temperature protection, reverse polarity protection, reverse charge protection, over current protection, and over voltage protection. Low voltage protection and ultimate low electric consumption protection too. You see, this is safe. And we can easily start our vehicle with that device. We insert the jump cable into the booster. Then we connect the clamps to our car battery. The red clamp comes to the positive pole and the minus cable, that means the black cable, comes to the minus pole on your battery. The green light will on. We press the booster if necessary. If it goes to green, everything is fine and we can start our engine. After we start our engine, we can remove the jump starter and let the car engine run. Yeah, job's done. And there's more. Power bank. Ultra compact portable charger. The car starter has two outputs and an input for USB-C. With USB-C cable, which is included, we can reload the battery inside the car jump starter. And with huge capacity of 20,800 mAh, charge smartphones, tablets, and more. We have dual USB ports, so we can do that with two devices at the same time. And we have a torchlight. This is really cool. The Hilldow U28 emergency start battery included a built-in flashlight that delivers 100 lumens of bright light in 4 modes: continuous flash, SOS warning, and for easy display under the bonnet. In addition, the torch is always at hand in an emergency case. And it's a powerful supply for DC 12-volt devices. A car starter booster adapter is included. It's perfect for portable gas generators, for example, car vacuum cleaners, or other electronic devices that requires a 12-volt DC connection. You can use it easily and mobile. That's really cool. That's a cool feature which comes additionally to this. So it is a jump starter, number one. And the second one is it is a power bank. And the third one is it is a 12-volt supply device. Really cool. I think it's really cool to use that device if you have some trouble with a dead battery or an empty battery, of course. Then we have LEDs on it. If we push the power button, we can see 1, 2, 3, or 4 lights. 1 light means 25% battery level. 2 lights, 50%, 3 lights, 75%, and 4 lights, 100%. The Hilldow has these 4 indication lights in total to display the amount of battery power left. And then we can check how many restarts we can perform. The indicator light will flash one by one when the jump starter is being charged. A solid light means a full charged battery level. For example, when 2 lights are illuminated and the third is blinking, that means the unit is between 50 and 75% charged. So you can see it is easy to see how much energy is in the battery of your starter power bank, because it's a jump starter and a power bank. Oh yeah. To reload, we use a USB-C cable to recharge our Hilldow HDJ-S001 portable jump starter. We do better charge it at least once a month in order to extend the battery life, of course. We don't charge it immediately after using it to start a car or when jump starter builds exercise heat. It takes around 6 hours to be fully charged with original adapter. Prolonged charging time is a practical best to be avoided as it may raise safety concerns and short battery life. The charging time should not exceed 10 hours, of course. We come and start our engines with empty batteries with that device easily and fast, of course. We dock these clamps into position on the plus and minus pole on the battery. We sit down in the car, we start our engine, and when the engine is running, we can remove the power starter again. And of course, we can go back to the street again. This is the Hilldow Jump Starter. It's a jump starter and a power bank. It will restart your engines up to 8 liter in petrol and 5 liter in diesel function. Let's go out and fix your cars. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.